what's the background on the Rainbow Wall?
So the idea behind the Rainbow Wall is it's all focused around our new campaign, Wrth dy Ochr or By Your Side, which is about getting people to think about how they, in their community, can stand with other people who have experienced prejudice or hate and make a stand together, whether you're an ally or you're an LGBT person yourself, or you want to be an ally to another community like Muslims or people from black and minority ethnic communities who have experienced prejudice. So with the Rainbow Wall, we have 6 colours of the LGBT rainbow, and people can choose which colour they want and write a message of support for the campaign, or to thank someone in their life who's been supportive of them and who's been by their side. And by the end of the week, it should have built a huge rainbow.